Whether you're wondering if it's worth waiting for the Samsung Galaxy S24 or whether you should get a phone now, the S23 had some offers over Black Friday and Cyber Week. While I don't anticipate the S24 to bring significant enhancements over the S23, it may provide improved future-proofing. Based on trends, it is more likely to endure and improve over time than existing phones. Samsung normally releases its phones in late January or early February, making it the year's first big phone release. We should anticipate the Galaxy S24 family, including a high-end variant like the S24 Ultra, to arrive around that time. In previous years, Samsung has been in the forefront of introducing Qualcomm chipsets, but this year, the Xiaomi 14 in China has already debuted the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Nonetheless, we anticipate that certain Galaxy S24 versions will use Qualcomm's current fast platform, while others may use Exynos chipsets. Although Samsung, the camera is also anticipated to see enhancements. Its emphasis may move away from hyper-zoom capabilities. Although we are unlikely to see an increase in battery size, we can surely look for improvements that will prolong the phone's battery life. There's also speculation that titanium will be used on some or all of the Galaxy S24 versions, maybe to support the frame. What more is there to anticipate in terms of hardware improvements? To be honest, it doesn't matter, and that's not why you should wait if Samsung chooses to include the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. They will have a platform with an integrated neural engine that will be ready to support advanced machine learning capabilities. During Qualcomm's presentation, they demonstrated some of the new Snapdragon's capabilities, but it will ultimately be up to developers and manufacturers like Samsung to bring these AI features to life. The next generation of gadgets is likely to outperform previous generations not just in terms of technology, but also in terms of longevity, leaving earlier phones in their wake. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.